2500 tick trap.
Pan, pan, pandas. I got broads in Atlanta, just in the bleeding in the Fanta. Got cards and the scammers. Pandas! Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. What an incredible move we had overnight. And whoop, we're back to the open, essentially. What a move. Pandas! We're absolutely killing it on our accounts. We are absolutely killing it, Pandas. We are killing it right now. All our accounts are above the static threshold. So you know what that means, Pandas. Time to swing. We got a swing party now because we do not have to worry about threshold anymore. And, the trailing threshold. Trailing threshold is done with. This is the first phase of getting your payout. You need to get past the static threshold. And now you're able to increase your profits a lot more because you can swing. So hopefully that will happen to us, but we shall see. I think my main objective now is capital preservation, risk management. That's like the main thing I have to focus on. Maximize my profits, minimize my losses. That's what I'm focused on. I have to put in place like strong stops for myself. I think I'm gonna trade micros for a little bit probably to feel the market out, and then if I sense like there's a really good strong market and really good setup, we'll jump to the micro or minis. In the meantime, drop those GMs in the chat, scalp that like button. We're about to get started here. We're on our journey to 1 milli. We're on our journey to 1 milli, Pandas. 1 milli. A quick way you can figure out how close we are is just get any of my accounts or what are the first account, multiply it by what? 20. So multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. And that's how close we are. Multiply by, 20. So let's just say for the first account, 6,594 times 2 is 13,000 times 10. So you got actually, multiply by 20. Yeah, multiply by 20. That's it. Just get the highest account, multiply by 20. Just double it and then put a 0 at the end. That easy. What a wild day of price action we had yesterday, right? I think I called almost everything here. It was kind of crazy. I called almost everything here. I remember after we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bars within the first 5-minute range, I felt like any breakout would probably fail. And this breakout, it did break out pretty strong. We even got a move from it, but it ended up failing pretty hard, and it ended up filling the gap, and then plus more. It went way further down, came back to the gap, and then pushed down to the low, creating. And these blue lines right here, these blue lines I drew in the beginning of the session. I'm saying, I said in the beginning of the session, it looks like we're just in a really big trading range, and that's exactly where we're in. We bounced off the bottom here, and we're back to basically to where we closed. So I almost called everything here, and that's why yesterday I had a $3,000 day, because I was able to. My edge was seeing the price action and recognizing the market cycle. That was my main edge yesterday, and I think my profits have proven that to be the case. Let's see if we can read the market like we did yesterday. I'm going to wait a little bit, hang out. It is Friday, so markets can be a little bit strange on Fridays. The daily chart. I mean, you got the strong bear bar. I'd be surprised if there's absolutely no follow through here, but currently there is none. And there is a gap still in the Globex session. If you haven't forgotten, there is a gap down here. We closed last week on Friday. To kind of go back a little bit here. Jeez Louise. There's a big gap here. Globex session opened from Sunday night, or from Friday close to Sunday evening, the pre-open. There's a huge gap here, and we still haven't filled it. And it's marked by this this line here, this dotted line. I think we're gonna touch this level today. We may not, but if we get close to it, like around here, 3/4 of the way, then I'm looking to try to fill that gap. Like, it just seems like the obvious place to go. But yeah, that's my trade idea, my trade, what I think is gonna happen. Hopefully it comes true. Hopefully we figure something out here. Man, drop those GMs in the chat, scalp that like button. We are on our way to a million. We're about 13% there. We are 13% of the way to a million, and it's been about 8 trading days. So that means like we're on track for like every 8 days if we get 10%. That's like 80 days of trading. 80 days of trading will make a milli. Is it possible, Pandas? I have no idea. What's 80 days of trading? That's 4 months. We're gonna be on that 4 month journey right now, Pandas. Are you with me on this one? Are you with me on this? 4 months of just trading every single day until we make a milli. If we can make a million in 4 months, that is like that is yeah. That's not too shabby. A million in 4 months? That means you're on track for like 2.5 million a year. If you can make a milli in 4 months, then you're on track for 2.5 mil a year. That's pretty good. Pretty dang good if you ask me. Market's about to open in about 4 minutes here. We're on a milli track. So right now, like I said, my main focus is just to not go crazy and bust my accounts. Like we're up solid $5,000 to $6,000. 5 to 6. Like on average, we're probably around 5.5, something like that, on all our accounts. But to me, it doesn't matter how many accounts I have. I'm trading only one account, right? Because we have a trade copier. I trade one account as I trade all my accounts as if it's one account. I'm agnostic to how many accounts I have. Well, I know how
2500
many accounts
tick
I have, but
trap.
when I trade, I'm not thinking, oh, I'm trading 20 accounts at once. I'm just trading one account and trying to get this one account as high as possible. Right now, we're on pace to get our first payout. Since I made a $3,000 day yesterday, my first payout will have to be after $10,000. So I got to get all my accounts up to 10K, and my agnostic. Oh man, what not in the term of the religious sense. Okay, agnostic is just means just not knowing. Okay, that's what it means, right? That's the actual definition. But I'm my goal is the way I'm gonna try, because last time I ended up busting my accounts because I kept withdrawing down to like $5,000, which is like brutal. Because if you think about it, you are basically, anytime you do a max payout, that's a red day, right? The max payout you can get on the 150K accounts is $2,750. So every time you get a max payout, like last time I got like 4 max payouts, and every single time you get a max payout, it's a 2750 red day. Let's just round it up to three as a $3,000 red day essentially, and so you're really handicapping yourself, and so I think the threshold is just too low. So I'm gonna try to keep my accounts above 10K, and just withdraw whatever I have above 10K. Woo! Big pop up. We got a H4 set up. I might take this H4 on the 2500 tick to get back to the previous day's close. So I'm thinking here is an H4 slow grind to the H4. Let's find out. I mean, the risk is huge, like 31 point risk. The main idea right now is capital preservation. You do not want to bust these accounts. You have so much buffer now. We are on static thresholds. We can swing trade. We don't have to worry about trailing thresholds anymore. So that means I can swing it like crazy and it won't affect my threshold. And the main thing right now is our accounts are so healthy that all we have to do is just slowly build them up and not have a big red day. That's like the main idea. We just build it up, not even slowly, but like we got to build it up. I don't know if the conservative is the right word, but we need to build it up in a way where we're not risking too much. How about that? Yeah. We can't risk too much, so. One contract, pretty much still trading one contract. And, yeah. One contract, maybe 2 contracts, maybe. Market's about to open. I'm seeing this as a trading range, but currently we're at the bottom. Sushant, good morning. Tate, good morning. Toadman, good morning. Crimson Demon, welcome back. Crimson Demon, it's good to have you back. I hope your trading journey has been going well. I have no idea. I hope everyone's trading journey is going well, but Crimson Demon's been around for a while. And now he's taking a hiatus. Now he's back, so it's great. Great to see you back. Market opened. Okay, push down. Just waiting. Big push up. We triggered the H4 on the 2500 tick. Nice little pop up here. Very nice pop up here. I could try this. Bottom change back to the top of the trading range. H4 does not work out as successfully as you would like on the 2500 tick, at least not now. Right, you want H4 to at least break the high here, but that is brutal. Big bear bar. Yikes. Ouch. Ouchies. For real, that is no good. We are falling like a rock right now. Daily chart, we're opening near the bottom. Creating this outside bar, right? It's an outside bar yesterday. We broke yesterday's high and low yesterday. Okay. I mean, we're still choppy. We're still choppy. Retesting the bottoms here. Crazy Demon, he's trying to focus on trend days. The only problem is that means you're trading like maybe like only 10% of the time, which is difficult. Because a lot of times for traders, like we want to stay active. We kind of want to be active. If we're not active, we kind of go crazy as day traders, I think. At least for me, I kind of go a little bit crazy if I don't trade for a while. Coming off our channel again. We don't quite trigger this fail second entry short. I could try to go long here. If I get my setup, I'll try. All right, we'll try here. Hopefully get to the close of yesterday or get destroyed. Whoa, 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 we're holding, 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 and holding, and holding. Hold. Okay, triggers again.
Target filled.
Break even there. That's wild. Price action. I don't like it. I mean, we're still at $50. Goodness gracious, golly, that was crazy. The ATR for the 500 tick chart is currently 17 pandas. That is insane for a 500 tick chart to be 17 ATR. I'm just telling you, this is very volatile. But that's another reason why I love trading right now. This is why I come trading minis, because the volatility is great right now. It's excellent volatility. Bouncing off the 20 EMA here. Big bear bar. No, thank you. Very confusing. Still very choppy, in my opinion. Very choppy, in my opinion. Okay, break the low here. Golly, this is wild. Failed to really reverse back to the close. I thought we'd be in trading range, and I thought we had a chance to get back up, but maybe the trading range has shifted now to something down here. I don't know. I thought it was up here bouncing around, but the current price action, if I had to look at this with brand new eyes, where would my trading range be? It's pretty filthy in my opinion. Kind of just looks like this for now. Break the low here. Can't really retest here. Wow. I don't know. This looks choppy. Looks choppy. Hard to discern what's happening here, in my opinion. It looks like another trading range developing right here. I mean, sellers above. Sellers above. Trying to fill the gap. Certainly looks like it wants to fill the gap. Certainly does go now fill the gap. After it takes your stop out here on this setup, it fills the gap. That's diabolical. Just get ready for a very tricky day today. Lots of, there's going to be a lot of retracements. Wow, the ATR currently is almost 18 on the 500 tick chart. I'm using a 14 period. Jeez Louise, that's wild. I don't know. This is scary stuff. Like, it's so volatile. You almost just kind of want to stay away from charts like today. It's volatile and not moving, right? It's going back and forth, which is a dangerous combination. Panda, drop those GMs in the chat. Second entry long, maybe interested here. Second entry long. Golly, I don't know. Okay, it does a hidden second entry. Right, just 3 reversals actually in one candle. So I'm just sitting my pause here. 3 reversals in one candle. That's wild. It certainly looks like it wants to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. It looks like it wants to fill the gap here. I mean, another bull bar. You're thinking you're gonna fill the gap. The ATR is just crazy right now. It is insane. Like, I gotta trade micros today, I feel like. Just because the volatility is so crazy. Possible top of a... Well, you know what? I originally had it up here. And we're kind of back up here now, so... Maybe we just found the bottom. Strong trading range still. Jeez, look at this spike back down. We're just back in our trading range. Question is, are we going to break out now? I'm at the top of the trading range. I don't know, pandas. What do we do? Lower high? I can't scale in. That's the problem. It's hard for me to do this because I can't scale in. Like, if I'm going to try to fade the range, the top of the range, like, I got to be able to scale in. It's going to be very difficult to do. With minis. Lower high here. Second entry long, setting up, but inside the range, top of the range. It's hard to just go long here, in my opinion. Terrible signal bar as well. The main reason, because you're top of a trading range. So, yeah, no one to blame but yourself if you go long here and this reverses. So that's the thing. I'd rather go short here, almost. We'll see, though. We'll see. It's so choppy. I don't think I'm...
2,500 tick trap.
ATR is almost 18 on a 500 tick chart, pandas. You know how insane that is? You know how insane that sounds? Nice second entry long. Okay, does break out. Okay, this might be the move to fill the gap. Another strong bull bar. Okay, we close above this high, this pivot high. Some people always in long here. I guess I'll try this. I will try. Let's see if we get something nice. Maybe not. I don't like it. I don't like the wiggles. I don't like the wiggles, pandas. I don't like the wiggles. I don't like the wiggles. It shouldn't wiggle like that. It should have broken out already. The fact that it's wiggling so much, I do not like it. I do not like it. Too many wiggles for me. Okay, I lose that trade if I held it. I lose that trade big time if I held it. Too many wiggles for me. Big time drop here. What in the world's going on? Don't fill the gap. That's insane. Maybe this is a good trade, but this strong bear bar at the top of a trading range. Don't want to push my luck there. Better off to sell there at the top of the trading range. The thing is, we're so close to filling that gap. I almost got tempted just to hold it. I'm telling you, this is a day that's going to take a lot of souls. Today is going to take a lot of souls. Luis, good morning. Dylan, today is wild. Is absolutely correct. This volatility, we're almost at 18 ATR with 500 ticks, using only 500 ticks. You know how insane that is? Crimson Demon Panda, why have you never tried a straight funded account? I have. When you have prop firms, it's just way less risk. So why not? Why not use prop firms? Why not use someone else's money? Day trader, good morning. Eventually, I will have to trade my own funded accounts, but while prop firms are still here, just take advantage of them. They're still here, and they're here to stay for a while, I think. Prop firm space is so competitive. They can come back to the bottom of the trading range, but I have no clue. That's wild. We failed to fill the gap on the regular trading hours. You look how close we got. We failed to hit it. So now, what in the world's going on? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Strong move to the downside. I mean, we're still in a trading range, pandas. We're absolutely in a sicko trading range here. Hard to say. What an amazing trade if you just reverse that. Top of the trading range. But no entries all along the way down, which makes it difficult. Bouncing the bottom of the trading range. I could try a dirty scalp here. I could try a dirty scalp. The only problem is the risk is might be big. I'm gonna try a dirty scalp here. A really dirty scalp. I could try a dirty scalp here. I'd rather have some like reason to go long. Bottom of the trading range, people just buying here. Scalping already, like, you think that's not that much, but this is already 15, 16, 20 point scalp already just by buying the bottom of the range. You got to figure out who's making money, and the scalpers are making money right now, buying at the bottom of the trading range. Scalpers made money there. Bears are also making money, obviously swinging down. Pushing down, maybe looking new low. The higher low, I may be tempted to go long, but I don't know. The higher low is looking dirty. It's not a good signal bar. Yeah, you get destroyed the moment you enter that trade. Just snaps back down the moment it triggers. You're probably thinking these are going to be tested, these pivot lows. 240 SMA also probably be tested here. Okay, interesting. Still people scalping like crazy. Still scalpers market. Just going in and out, in and out. People buying the lows here and just getting out real quick. Afraid it's going to break down. I just see strong trading range. So this is why I'm thinking about going long somewhere around here. I thought we were going to test the lows here. We didn't quite get there yet. We're still in the spiking channel. We're still in the spiking channel here. Golly, this is wild. Okay. Okay. We're still in the spiking channel. Bottom of the trading range. It's kind of getting stuck here. It's finding some support. Can't really break down. I almost feel more comfortable if we actually test these pivot lows before I buy long, just because these lows get tested all the time. Okay, now the 240 SMA tested. Still struggling, trickling down. Breaking down. Strong bear bar. Strong bear bar. I need at least one reversal here. Oof. It's brutal. I don't know. That's brutal. Brutal. Golly. All right. I don't know, pandas. This is looking brutal. Brutal to say the least. goodness gracious. Sitting on my paws. This is going to be a tricky day. I can tell you that much right now. It's going to be a very tricky day. Yeah, decent push up actually right there. Might get more. I need at least a higher low to like even consider going long here in my opinion. This is, golly, I don't know I can do this. Two strong bear bars on the 5-minute chart just printed. I think we have more room to go down. Sorry, pandas. We're gonna try this. Actually, let's wait. Let's wait till some sort of resistance gets hit, such as a 20 EMA, top of the trend line. Something needs to be hit here. Lots of overlapping bars, big wicks. Decent signal bar, but far away from 20 EMA. This could break the low here. We'll find out. We'll see. Okay, fails to do so. Looks like brutal price action, in my opinion. Very brutal price action. Are we reversing up here is a question.
2500 tick trap.
Okay. Okay, high or low. Strong push up. This is wacky. It's a lot of risk. I don't know if I can take it. It's wacky and it's a lot of risk. I mean, technically we're in a trading range. We should be going back up. At least for a scalp. Most traders probably trying to do that, in my opinion. It's like I just short here. It's like a short trigger.
2500 tick trap.
Ever imaginable. Lots of overlapping bars. If this trap fails, maybe I'll try to go short. If this trap fails, I'll go short, I guess. If this trap fails, I'll try to go short. Okay, trap triggers. Fails, I'll go short. Simple as that. Trap's successful. Decent trap. At least for a scalp. Silly. Everything's silly right now. This is very tough to trade when it looks like this. Like I typically don't like to trade when it looks like this because it's just more choppiness, if anything. You just don't know when it's going to actually break down. Look at that. How many overlapping bars there are. How many reversals there have been. Very difficult to time this, in my opinion. In my opinion. But think about those who scaled in, right? Think about those who bought this low, then bought this reversal, then kept buying. Like they are in great profit right now. This is like 40 points of profit. If you just bought the low here and then bought and scaled in one time. Your risk though, you're holding 20-some point risk. You're doing $500 risk. Big pop back up. I mean, that's a juicy pop back up. Like I said, pandas, trading range. It is very hard to trade against a trading range. When you see a trading range this strong, very hard to trade against it. Panda Parlay Francois? What? I have no idea what that is. I do not even know how to speak or read French, so. Sorry. You're thinking you're going to fill the gap now, but we'll see. Golly, look at this pushback up. That trap ends up working out. I don't know. It's tough. It's tough. Oh, my pignon. It's my pignon. Wow. I guess this is your trading range here. So sick. So sick. I would be more inclined to trade today if the risk wasn't so huge on every single trade, even on the 500 tick chart. The risk is wild. We're top of a trading range, hard to go long right there. When it's this overextended, you need to pull back. I think it's trying to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart, the regular trading hours. We have a gap to fill up here if it's a strong bull bar. 1, 2, 3. Bear bar in the 15 minutes just folded. Lower high. Second entry long. Top of a trading range, hard to go long here. Not saying you can't break out here, but it's just difficult to take a trade, especially with this many overlapping bars. Just sitting on your paw still. Look who's making money. People who are scalping the top here, just trying to go short. These people are actually making money right now. Scalping the top of this trading range. Will it pop up? Let's see. Okay, we're actually at the top of the trading range. I mean, if I want to be feisty, I really wanted to be feisty right now, pandas. I really wanted to be feisty. If I really wanted to be feisty, it's a spiking channel right now. I could go short here somewhere. I really wanted to be feisty today. Breaking out. It looks like it wants to fill the gap. I probably won't even get my pullback to fill the gap. Could be wrong. People going short here. It's a spiking channel. Very tricky. I have like a price target I want to hit above. We're so close to it, but we're also in a trading range. So I have two things competing against each other. It's just very difficult for me to choose one side here. Especially my main objective right now is capital preservation. We're up $5,000 plus on all our accounts. We're in a static threshold. We're in payout city. And my main goal is capital preservation. Like, I'm not trying to take big risk. If I see like some sus price action, I'm just going to stay away from it. We'll just see what happens. All right, I will try this though. It's a second attempt on this exact same trade here. Gap doesn't fill. I'm gonna try one time. Here we go. As long as the signal bar makes sense here. As long as the signal bar makes a little bit of sense here. We're gonna try. Okay, enough sense for me. We'll try here.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Easy peasy. I mean, I got my 1K. This voice sounds like a jet. I'm sorry. I have my windows open and might be creating some noise. I mean, we're at 1K. Do we just end it today? Do we just end it? Call it a day? Absolutely just. All right, one second. Let me close these windows. absolutely diabolical to be doing landscaping work right now. It's diabolical, man. I mean, we made our 1K. I should have held it, I guess. Golly. Sorry, pandas. Mrs. Panda brought up some panda treats I'm eating, so I don't want to be slobbering in the mic. I hate that sound. Sorry. Sorry about that, pandas. Had to get some fuel for the brain. Massive breakout on the 5-minute, but no follow through. And now we get two bear bars. It's gonna be bad news. Trading range still in play here. Absolutely sick. Trading range is much bigger than we may imagine. It could be just an expanding pattern, failing to break. Lots of expanding patterns. 2500 tick chart technically has broken out of the trading range that was developing. Trading range indicator on the 25 tick chart was perfectly showed us a trading range from the bottom. Breaking out now, coming back in. This is tricky. I mean, this is breaking down. You really don't want to go long against this type of move. All right. I mean, we're up 1K. Not too shabby, if you ask me. Not too shabby. Okay. Curious to see what happens here. Second just short could be an okay trade. I'll try. Give me okay signal bar. Don't let this be my signal bar, please. Bad looking signal bar. Getting above the 20 EMA now. Wowzers. Alright, never mind. Deep pullback, but continuing up. I thought it would be two bear bars on the 5-minute chart, but you gotta let the candle finish. What a deep pullback, though. Deep pullback to me just means possibly more trading range price action. Broad channel at the least. I was not expecting that move. But it looks like we have some sort of broad channel playing out now, in my opinion. Super strong bull bar on the 2500 tick chart. Super strong bull bar. Wow. I don't know. No follow through whatsoever on that bull bar on the 2500. Looks confusing to me. I've been betrayed by overextended traps so many times. Right, this is a trap that triggers like far away from 20 minutes, overextended gap. Sorry, overextended trap. Could break out here, who knows? Got currently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart does seem convincing that we have more room to go up. Right, on the 5-minute chart, strong bull bar here does seem a bit convincing we have more room to go up, in my opinion. I mean, I'm happy with my 1K. I could be happy without taking a trade the rest of the day. Me at 1K is great, pandas. Me at 1K is great right now. Look at this. Look at this nastiness. What's going on? This is why it's hard for me to take a trade, because it just seems big down, big up, and then pretty deep pullback. Where's this going? Are we coming back down here? It's hard to really predict and time these breakouts. That's why you have to have a wide stop. If you have a wide stop, then you don't have to predict the timing. The timing can, you can be off by like 3 or 4 reversals, and it will still be okay.
2500 tick trap.
Macros here. I don't know. Just watching. Big, right? Big up, big down, big up. Could just be a small pullback, but I feel like something more devious is happening here. We still have this big trading range, right? The big trading range, this blue line here, these blue lines, it's a big trading range on the 5-minute chart. We can come back all the way back to the top. Why not? Like, it just continued the pattern that we've been having. Red bar, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull
2500 tick trap.
It'll just continue the pattern. Why not? Wouldn't surprise me. Now this is getting diabolical. Lots of overlapping bars, lots of chop. ATR is over 18 now on the 500 tick chart. Absolutely insane that you're risking. By the way, the one trade we took today, we scalped out 25 points in a matter of seconds. It happened so quick. I wasn't like the chart couldn't even catch up to it because we got it so quick. I love when that happens. I actually like when that happens. Look at this nastiness. Look how choppy this has got for no reason. Filthy. Filthy. Absolutely filthy. Okay. No clue. It just looks like another trading range right here, developing. Reloading historical because I have nothing else to do. I'm just watching. I'm a observer right now because this is very confusing to me. Basically created this like super double top here. Big up, big down, big up, big down. I mean, that's a double top if you ask me. It's as good as it gets, no? Double top? I don't know. This is just tricky to me. I don't think anything's worth risking $300 some on this trade. It's not worth it. I don't feel confident enough in this trade at all. If anything, I should jump to the micros and just buy like down here at the last pivot low or something. Seriously, just buy here and see what happens. This is with the micros, by the way. The ATR for the 5-minute chart is 70 points. How insane is that? 70-point ATR. It's a lot of risk. This is why we're trading micros here. I mean, just kind of do the obvious thing. Like, we've been choppy, just continue to chop. Let's chop around, why not? I don't know if we would even get down here, to be honest. People may be eager just to buy here and continue this chop. Yeah. Just scalp right here, why not? While you're at it, just buy the close of this bar. That's exactly what's happening. Completely overlapping bars. So sick. Now that we fill the gap, not much needs to be done on the upside here. It might seem small, but this scalp was nearly 20 points. That might be small. Like the moment this bar closed, people bought it. Like, thinking it's gonna chop more, they made 20 points. They're just, all right, I'm happy with my 20 point scalp. Why not? Why not? On a day like this, 20 points is great. Super choppy, super messy, super confusing. Just sitting on my paws. To me, this would be like one of the most obvious scalps if we come down to this level. Pushing up. Look at this alternation. Bull bar, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull bar. Next bar, bear bar, perhaps. I mean, it's a cup and handle. It's a type of cup and handle. This is confusing to me. I mean, the 5 minute chart is so choppy. Like, I'm better off just selling up here. Exactly what people are doing, just sold once we broke this high. It just looks so choppy, so many overlapping bars in a row. But I'm scared of a breakout at this point as well, so tough. Again, nothing worth risking any bamboo. I don't love anything here. We have competing thoughts. We have a breakout potentially here, and we have a trading range potentially here. Looks like it's breaking out. Strong move to the upside here. Fair enough. Hard for me to really feel confident to jump in like that. But it is what it is. I missed the move. I don't even love this. Like, I almost want to short like a strong bull bar on the 5 minute chart. I just want to go short against it. Thinking we won't have much follow through. Overextended trap again. Not my cup of tea. Does make a nice little move up. Call me crazy, but I almost want to go short here. Like, I actually want to go short, like, up here at these pivot highs. Call me crazy, but I want to go short here. This is with a micro, so I can scale in, thinking trading range will continue. And if we get like 2 bull bars after I go short, then I'll just get out. I'll take a small hit, maybe $100 hit or so. Tate says, you are crazy. I'm just looking at the price action. And we get this many overlapping bars in a row like this. Pretty disgusting stuff. We got a lot of overlapping bars over here as well. So, I mean, I'm just thinking if it does touch this level, it's about the 50% level as well on the trading range, the big trading range here. Almost touched my target. Almost touched my target. Didn't quite get there, though. It got very close to touching my target. Now it's kind of shying away from it. Maybe people are front-running the same idea. People front-running the exact same idea. Maybe. I just want to see it hit the target. I think it'll just be great. Just see what happens, right, pandas? Let's stay active with the micros. I have a good trade idea here, but we'll see. Don't quite get there. We missed it. It didn't quite get to my target. And it's reversing now. So that's a scalp. It might not seem like a lot, but it's already over 20-point scalp right there. Couldn't quite get there. Very close to giving me at least a 20-point scalp. We were 3 points, less than 3 points away. Well, it is what it is. Second entry long. I mean, do I really want a second entry long here? Definitely not when it looks like this. What a pullback. Like I said, like I wanted to go short here, but it didn't quite get there. It missed it by like 4 points. I don't know. Do I want a reversal here? I could try, but we're not getting any type of setup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bear bars in a row, though. It's kind of like you just go short whenever you can at this point. 9 bear bars in a row. Yep. We're not going to be able to get it. It's going to go without us. All good. What a bounce. Ten bear bars in a row. 10 non-bull bars in a row to be more accurate. Because that's not a bear bar or bull bar. But it's a non-bull bar. It's also a non-bear bar. The ticker? I could. I'm only on Nascraq. Yesterday I was jumping between like 4 instruments, right? EMINI, the Nascraq, the gold, and Bitcoin. But I'm mostly on the Nascraq, so I don't have much need for that. Plus, it's not. I don't know. Maybe I could show the ticker. Maybe I'll work on that. I'll work on that. I can add it. I don't do it often, so I didn't think it's necessary. But I'm thinking about maybe diversifying a little bit. Gold is getting crushed. Wow, gold, what a move. Bitcoin, wow, what is Bitcoin's trashy trash can price action? What is that? Bitcoin getting absolutely destroyed. The E-mini, what's the E-mini up to? Pretty much nothing. Fills the gap. It's kind of doing nothing as well. Okay. Lots of overlapping bars now again. Like I had that trade idea. It just didn't quite get to that level. I mean, if I have a level, I'm going to wait for it. Like it's close. It was like 3 points away. I'm like, I'm probably going to hit it. Rockets up here a little bit. This could be very bullish. This could be very bullish. Okay, trap fails. Trap failing here is interesting to me. I don't know. Yikes. Sorry, never mind. The ATR has dropped drastically, which is great, which is good. It was a little too much. Hidden second just short here now. Okay. Okay. Huh. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Big up, big down. Wait, breaks out, right? Hit this breakout, bouncing off the breakout area now. It could be bullish here, because technically you're getting like if I made it like this, we're actually bouncing off two key areas, which is the breakout area, retest, and also the trend line here. This could be a decent move to the upside. The question is, do we get a setup to take advantage of it? I do not know. Confusing. Okay. Okay.
$2,500 tick trap. $2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Fails like entry short would be nice. Fails like entry short would be nice here. I think I will try. Fails like entry short. I think I'll try to go long here.
5-minute trap.
I don't think we're gonna get her set up. Might have to go a little early here, pandas. Might have to go a little early here, pandas. Stay vigilant. Wait. Hold. All right. Here it is. Yikes. We lost. Oh, there goes all our gains for the day. I think that's the best setup that I had so far. Tough. I don't know, it's worth trying again. I was up 1,000. Up 45 now. I mean, still green. Green is green. Try one more time here, but it's probably gonna really hurt me. But we'll try one more time. Try one more
2,500 tick trap.
Fail second just short. Coming off our trend line. Coming off the retest. Potentially good trade here. Let's hold. I don't like the indecisiveness here. Really don't like the indecisiveness here. Yeah, I really don't like the indecisiveness here. This needs to make a move now. Like now, I'm out. This needs to
Target
make a move.
filled.
Like it already had to make a move. I don't know what's taking so long. I don't like the indecisiveness here. We're up 1K now. We're pretty much break even today. We're 1-1 essentially in this day. I'll upgrade my record. Basically 2-2. I just did not like the indecisiveness. They could blast off here, but I did not like the indecisiveness leading up to this breakout. It just took too long. I did not like the indecisiveness, but it can break out here. Who knows? Brutal. Yep, there's a breakout. Brutal. I just did not like the indecisiveness here. It was very grindy. In fact, if it reverses here, geez Louise, what's going to happen now? No clue. Lots of overlapping bars. That is disgusting.
2,500 tick trap.
That is filthy. So filthy. I don't know. This doesn't make sense, pandas. Alright. If you come back out one more time, I'm in. And I will hold. And I will hold if you come up one more time. I can't do it. I just can't do it. It's too confusing. Too many overlapping bars. Basically creating another trading range over here. Golly, reverses immediately. What are we doing here? I have no clue. I'm still up today, but very little. I'm 2 and 2. I think the trade I took here made the most sense. Feels like I just short. It's coming off so many supports and triggering also the fails like entry short on the 5-minute chart. This makes sense to me. I think it's worth a try. I think if I wait for setups like that, I'm in a good place in trading, but this is brutal right now. Price action is brutal. I mean, my P&L is fine. It's just the price action is brutal. Big drop here potentially. Big drop here potentially. Okay. 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 Funny. Micro double bottom. That's funny. Choppy. Hmm. Hmm. Confusing. Very confusing. Interesting. what a breakdown. Top of the trading range on the trading range indicator, maybe back to the bottom of the trading range indicator. What a brutal breakdown here. The crazy thing about these type of situations is this is gonna V bottom. This could easily V bottom. That's a crazy thing. So you can't even take a second just short here. It can V bottom so easily. Situations like this. When the push down is so strong, it can V bottom. Just races down to just get to key area where bulls is load back up. Ugh. Treacherous day of trading. I'm glad I'm down. I'm down. I'm glad I'm up 67. I'm glad. Why not? I'm glad. I'm glad. It's not the worst situation. Like, just being green today is amazing. Very, very confusing. Had a potential good trade here, but a lot of hindsight bias is obviously a bad trade. Had a lot of supports, right? Touching off a lot of supports there. That's why I was very, like, I wanted to try. Right, that trade, I had all of these supports here, breakout, retest, bouncing off of it. I just felt like that was a good opportunity maybe to break out if we were going to continue this broad channel, but obviously didn't play out the way I wanted to. All first entries just killing it right now. Just watching. I don't have much to do here. Maybe if I'm lucky, I'll get one more trade in. But today's been pretty diabolical, I'm not going to lie. The ATR, the volatility is insane. First entry? Another first entry making new low. It just keeps making new lows, lower highs, lower lows. Like we broke out of this channel. Like we basically stopped this small pullback bear channel here. Bear trend, and we're kind of going sideways now. New low created here, be not surprising, but just this makes me have to be more patient here. Second just short maybe setting up. I could consider this trade. It will not take it unless it touches some sort of resistance, which is obviously the second or 20 EMA. Will not be taking this trade unless we touch the 20 EMA first. Outside bar reversal. It's gonna do whatever it wants at this point. I don't know. I don't care. Too disgusting to trade, in my opinion. Whew. Keeps making lower highs, lower lows. I feel like I just gotta go short here. For the always in short. What a deep pullback. The 5-minute just completely reverses, gets folded. Just waiting. I do not care. I do not care what happens here. It's just too confusing for me. Maybe second entry short could be an okay trade here. Maybe. Make a new low. Fair enough. What can you do about it? What can you do about it other than watch? Goodness gracious. This is wild. Should I do this crazy silly thing? Should I do the silly thing? Yeah, the answer is always yes. Should I just do the silly thing now? Maybe I should jump to micros. Might as well. I'm pretty much break even, so trading micros wouldn't be too bad today. No idea. What's actually happening here? I have no clue. I mean, if I'm gonna sell, I'm gonna sell here. If I'm gonna do any type of sell, it's gonna be right here. We're just kind of going. It's like it's just wild right now. If I'm gonna sell, it's gonna be like up here somewhere. Okay, or not. Very confused. I'll be right back, Candace.
5-minute trap.
Okay.
5-minute trap.
I'll try. I'll try. I'll try to do something a little tricky here. Let's try. Tricky dicky. Big up, big down. Didn't quite reach the top. Okay, quite a deep pullback here. Okay, big up, big down. Just trading range, type style. Just don't know where to go though. Don't know where to go though. I mean, 67 times 20 is at least $2, so it's good. Well, 67 times 20 is what? $1,020, something like that? Times 20. I mean, $1,200 today. Don't mind if I do. Does this fail second to short make sense here? I don't know. Stay vigilant. Second to short here. It's ugly, but I could try. It's ugly, but I can try. It's ugly, but I can try. Lots of prayers. Okay. Not so interested in that anymore. It's wacky. I could try this, but this is wacky. It's a trade I usually... Okay, never mind. I don't know what's happening, pandas. Honestly, I have no idea what's happening. And I'm like starting to do like weird stuff, which I don't want to do. We're not even down today. We're green, but I'm eager to jump in somewhere. But I don't know where. I could try this. Try second to short off the 2500 tick. If it sets me up. Craig, I love to see the counts above 155. Appreciate it. Me too. You and me both. I mean, if this doesn't snap down, I gotta get out of the trade. If this doesn't like snap down right when it enters, I'm gonna get out. It has to like snap down the moment it enters. Alright. Let's do the loosey-goosey thing here. Sell at the top of the trading range. Let's see what happens. Okay. It's looking ugly. Everything's looking ugly here. It does trigger the second to short on the 2500 tick chart. Massive second to short here. Coming for a trend line and 20 MA. I can't get myself to do anything here. I'm just so confused. It's just creating another trading range here, which is diabolical. Lower high could be a good trade. The timing of this is very difficult though. Timing of the move down is difficult. But the lower high could be a good trade here. I'd rather buy low, sell high, scalp than trying to sell right here. Okay. Looks like it's making its move down now. No. It's tough. Lots of overlapping bars. Lots of confusion for me. Lots of volatility. Volatility is back above 17 again on the 500 tick chart. Everything's so choppy. Everything's so choppy. Okay. I think I gotta try this. I think I have to try here. Okay, push it up. Not sure what's pushing up to, but it's pushing up. Lots of overlapping bars. We're 5 minutes now. We got 4 completely overlapping bars in a row. I should just be trading with micros right now, selling up here, buying down here. So I should be doing. I might just toss up today as a break-even day just because price action is kind of very diabolical. It's very sideways, very choppy, lots of up and down. Very hard, difficult to time anything. And there's multiple trading ranges within trading ranges. So you're just like, what trading range do I trade really? You know, if I sell up here, it's actually kind of low in terms of the bigger trading range. So it's tough. Trap this trigger here. I could try.
5-minute trap.
Try this, but it's a dumb trade, I'm telling you. It's a very dumb trade, but I could try here. Yeah, it's gonna snap back up. It's a dumb trade. I don't know why I took it. Yeah, dumb trade. I should be going long down here. I should be going long down here.
Target filled.
I don't like it. I don't like it. But I'm kind of making some bamboo right now, actually. My little like skunks, I'm making like a little bit of bamboo. Just inching my way up. Okay. It's a tough trade to take right there. Like you should be going long there, but at the same time it's like there's a potential short trade there. Very tough for me. Very tough for me to I don't know. I don't love anything here. Like I'm gonna try to look for a long trade somewhere down here now. Ends up being a decent move down. Do I love it? I don't know. I could try a micro here. I could try to micro here. I could. I could try micro here. Bottom of the trading range. I could try micro here. And scale in a couple times maybe. I think I'm more interested in taking trades just because I'm getting a little impatient than actual good setup here. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Too many trading ranges within trading ranges. $90 times 20 is at least $3. 90 times 20 is what? $1,800. That's a nice paycheck. What a good trade. If I held that, that would have been nice, some nice bamboo, but the risk was astronomical. 50-point risk. Some people scalping here now. Fair enough. I may look for a long trade here. I honestly may look for a long trade just because we're so diabolical. It's so diabolical. I'm looking for a long somewhere. I should be doing the micros. I should be doing the micros. Second short. Beneath the 20 MA. Seeing the market cycle we're in is a hard continuation to go short here, in my opinion. Seeing the market cycle we've been in for this long, it just seems like a tough short to take. I'm expecting a lot of reversals, a lot of pullbacks today. Actually wanted that to trigger so I can take this long trade here. Missed it. Missed it. Okay. Okay, I could try here. This seems a little bearish right now. That seems a little bearish right now. Yeah, what's that about? What we hold?
Target
I'm
filled.
gonna break even. Got diabolical. Should have held, I guess. What in the world? Got very diabolical there. Should have held. I cannot hold into my trades. I'm like, mental capital's all gone. I cannot hold. Darn it! Should have held. Golly. Yep. I can't trade. I can't trade. I'm done. It's so confusing. So many reversals. It looked a little bearish. It looked like it wanted to snap back down, but what a nice pop up, though. I think I'm more concerned at ending green today than anything else. I think that's what's causing the issue for me. Like, I actually want to just end green today, regardless of how much money it is. And I think that's what's causing the issue for me, because I don't want to have a red day today. I just don't want to have a red day today. That's like the main thing for me right now. I just don't have a red day today. Like, having a green day, even if it's $109, I'll take it. You know, jeez Louise. Second entry long, but is it nice? I don't know. I just don't know, pandas. I just don't know right now if this second entry long is actually good or not. I want to say no, it's not, but I just do not know. It's too confusing. Too much back and forth. Too many reversals here. Does not come to my 20 EMA. I mean, what can you do here? Just watch. Too many failed setups as well, in my opinion. Too many failed setups. Second entry long could blast off. It is what it is. I'm just going to watch. You lose that trade if you go long there. Do I want to go short here? I don't even know. I don't even know about that either. so many overlapping, like 5 overlapping bars in a row now. Just watching that, I have no clue. I just have no clue. This can blast off here for all intents and purposes. I don't care. It's very difficult for me. Doesn't even touch the 20 EMA one time. Just watching. I'm just too worried to be red today, and that's what's really causing my like paralysis and getting out my trades so early. 2 times, right? I had a good trade here and a good trade here. Both times I got out, I skunked it. 'Cause I saw the wiggles and I was like, I just do not want. Like I wanted to break out really hard. Another thing about this day is that the volatility is huge. ATR is big, so all my trades have big risk. Phantom futures, Panda, you cooking? I'm about to just start scalping. I'm very close to start scalping here. Top of the trading range, bottom trading range, top of the trading range, bottom trading range. We hit the bottom. Can we get back to the top? Is the question. Back in the middle of this trading range here. It cannot be that easy. I'm telling you right, it cannot. It just cannot be that easy. Like it cannot be that easy, right, Pandas? Like, it cannot be that easy. It surely cannot be that easy. It cannot be that easy, right, pandas? It surely cannot be that easy. It cannot be that easy. It surely cannot be that easy. Can it?
Target filled.
I thought for a second we're just going to bounce here forever. Head and shoulders. Babusi. Thanks for joining. Thanks for subbing. All convention tells me I need to look for a long somewhere down here. Completely confused. Very confused. Breaking this low. Strong bear bar any odds low on the 5-minute chart. Like, I just want to go long here, knowing that we are just diabolical. Yeah, it's just gone long. Scalp out 10 points. Thoughts and prayers. How does that actually happen? How does that actually happen? How does that actually, like, bull bar reverses, takes me out perfect, and then blasts off? How does that actually happen every time? Trying to capture some of this move, but it's difficult, pandas. Trying to capture some of this move, but it is difficult. Lots of deep pullbacks. Lots of overlapping bars. Your best bet is just go short with a limit order or somewhere off this trend line if I can get it. Still feels very trading rangey, but it is dripping right now. How does that happen? The scalp takes me out perfect. After a strong bull bar, takes me out perfectly, then blast off. How does that actually happen? Lower highs, lower lows, first entries, are they good enough for me? I don't think so. It's the first entry. Is it good enough? There's no clue. Doesn't seem like some overextended trap. Fails once again. I'm ultra patient here, I don't mind. I need to find something I really love here. Everything looks so sus. It looks and feels so sus. Looking for a two leggy. Not getting anything. Lots of overlap, lots of chop. Get how many overlapping bars there are on this. So many overlapping bars. It's just pure trading range price action. I just don't know what to do here.
2500 tick trap.
This much overlap, I just don't know. Is that 500 tick? Yep. Top right of your screen, you can see what time frame I'm using. It's just trickling down. I just don't feel strongly here about anything. Unfortunately. It's just very tough for me. I've skunked like last 5 trades. One skunk didn't work out. This skunk actually didn't work out. This skunk ended up working out. This skunk ended up working out. This skunk ended up working out. My last 3 skunks, or 3 out of 4 skunks, worked out nicely for at least 25 points. It's going to reverse here. It's going to reverse back up. Is that the follows what they wanted? Is that the confirmation they wanted here? Is that the confirmation they wanted here? No clue.
2500 tick trap.
Big pop-up. Might as well. Might as well. Might as well. Was that the trade I should have gone in? I don't know. I guess that was the trade. I missed it. Oh, I guess I missed it. I wanted to trigger on the 5 minute. One tick above the previous candle's high and go short there. That's what I was waiting for. It didn't quite happen though. I can't get it. I can't get it. This is too confusing. Probably creating another trading range right here. Absolutely diabolical right now. Lots of reversals here. Slow grinding price action. Very slow grinding price action. Very difficult for me. Very difficult for me. It's like a symphony of lawnmowers outside, playing in perfect harmony. Why not? Why not? Why not? Crazy, 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 crazy. Unbelievable. I think I just gotta go short here. Unbelievable double top here. A perfect double top on like a $20,000, $25,000 product. It's crazy work. That's crazy work. 2,500 tick chart completely. 5 completely overlapping bars in a row, essentially. It's up to no good. This is up to no good. This market is up to no good. Tight trading range now. Stay away from this market. Can break out, but it's very hard to time. You're impossible to time. You're better off just keep scalping. So sick. So sick. Okay. I gotta make a move soon, I think. I'm just gonna lose it. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's the market right now. But I'm looking for a breakout for some reason, because I'm gone mad. It just doesn't make sense to go short here. It really doesn't. It's been so diabolical. Even if it does break the low, it's not going to go very far. How painfully obvious is this trading range? How painfully obvious is this trading range right now? Prevents me from taking any trades because it's so crazy. Panda's like, I'm up 100. 130 to be exact. And I could be happy with that. I'm just like, I just want to find a setup right now. How painfully obvious is this trading range? How painfully obvious is it? Could break down here. Could break down here. Like I said, every time we break a low, how far down are we really going? Every time we break a low, how far down are we really going? Are we really going to go that far? Are we really going that far? I guess so. I guess we are really going that far. Golly. How annoying was that? How painfully obvious was this trading range? Probably deep pullbacks along the way down still. Like, we're still waiting for deep pullbacks here. It's just going to be crazy. That's a bar reversal. Deep pullbacks. Like I said. First entry. Do I like it? I don't know. I'm telling you, like, when you see price action that looks like this, I don't think it's going to go very far. Like it's looking for a reversal. It's like it's asking for a reversal. It really wants one really bad. Second entry short here is crazy work. Second entry short here is crazy work. Terrible signal bar. Yep, looking for some sort of reversal. Deep pullbacks, like I said. Deep pullbacks. It's gonna have deep pullbacks. It's just the character of today's market. Deep pullback day. That's what makes it very difficult to make money on days like today. Lower highs, lower lows, still. I don't know, pandas. What do I do? Do I just... I don't know what to do here. Phantom says one-to-ones. Makes sense. We finally break a previous candle's high on the 5-minute chart. Took about 1 bajillion years. Massive reversal back up. Like I said, how much lower is it really going to go after it breaks this low? Not very low, and it's deep pullbacks. In fact, if you look at the 2500 tick chart, it just had a massive bull bar ending on its high. With follow through. Yikes. Disgusting. So impossible to time. So very difficult to time any of these moves. Cool. Down 103. All it takes. One 10-point scalp. 2 and 3 now, I guess. What is this nonsense here? Diabolical. Okay. If I touch a 20 EMA, I'd be more inclined to take this long. But I wish I touched a 20 EMA first. Lower high. Looking for a long, but doesn't touch 20 EMA. No setup, whatever. This is chopped. It's an IOO pattern on the 2500 tick chart. Inside, outside, outside bar. Currently what it is. I don't know. Maybe I'll just buy here. Two bull bars in a row. Kind of a deep pullback. That's the issue here. Just doesn't make sense to go long here. Doesn't even touch the 20 May. I have no setups here. I have no trade ideas. Lots of overlapping bars. Probably breaks up or whatever. It's not going to take us. It's too ugly. A little too ugly for me. No touch of the 20 EMA, just blasting off. Hard to take this trade. It's hard to take any trade here, in my opinion. Keeps making new highs. It's grinding. It's grinding. It's grinding. It's grinding. It's going somewhere, and it's going without me. It's going somewhere. It's going without me. It hasn't touched a 20 EMA one time yet. Has not yet touched a 20 EMA once. No two-leggies. There's a two-leggy here. Terrible signal bar. I have to miss this whole move. I can't get in. Just gonna simply can't get in. The moment I get in, it's gonna have a deep pullback. I know it. Days like today, it's like the timing is impeccable, impeccably hard. Look at this nasty move. Spike, channel, and then breaks out of the channel to the upside. Disgusting move up. It's got no setups, man. That's the main issue. It's just too erratic, right? Too many pullbacks, too many overlapping bars. So the setups kind of disappear and come and go. And I don't know. I guess I'll try here, whatever. Beautiful trade if I just went long. Always in long on the 5-minute chart. Why not? Okay. Reversing kind of hard here. Still has not touched the 20 EMA. Still has not touched the 20 EMA. Second entry long with the 20 EMA could be a good setup here. Alright, thoughts and prayers. Hidden second entry long. Doesn't quite touch the 20 EMA yet. Bad signal bar. Hidden second entry long, unfortunately. Doesn't touch the 20 EMA, touches no supports. Can't take the trade because of that. And it's starting to blast off. What can you do? Hidden second entry longs. Without touching any support, which is the worst part. Still doesn't touch the 20 EMA. But that's the second entry long. Still has not yet touched the 20 EMA, so I'm just sitting here. My pause. Makes a new high. Reset our counts. So we lose our 20 EMA, or we lose our second entry long. We lose our two-legged pullback because it doesn't touch the 20 EMA, doesn't touch anything. It just floats in midair, and I'm just not going to go into any of this nonsense. Doesn't even touch the trend line. Been an okay trade if we actually touch something here. We're just flying in midair and just touching absolutely nothing, so I'm just not much I can do here. Just watch. It's like if I took this trade and I lost it, I'd just be like so upset because why would I take it? We didn't bounce off any supports. That's like really breaking out. Deep pullback here. Maybe finally touch some sort of support after the move up is done, making it difficult to go long again because the move is done now. Golly. Eager to go long, but I couldn't get in. Really eager to go long, but just no opportunity here. Deep pullback. It's a silly long trade now because the move is done, right? It had an exhaustive move here. So it's kind of worthless to try to go long now. Alright, it's late in trend. Basically hit this pivot high. And you're reversing now. So it's just silly to try to go long here. I guess. Still haven't quite touched the 20 EMA yet. Still haven't touched the 20 EMA. Technically, I guess I touched it off of the pullback. Like coming back up, it brought the 20 EMA up to it. So, I don't know. That could be the move. That could have been the move we were looking for, but not what I'm interested in anyways. Buying pressure is strong. Buying pressure is definitely strong. Bulls are very much still engaged here. New high. This uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows. No setups. Got one touch off the 20 MA in a way that was diabolical. Right? It actually didn't touch the 20 MA, but then when it ended, the 20 MA got brought up to it. Diabolical. Five-minute chart. You know, bottom trainer is back to the top of the training range. Simple as that, really. Think about it. Training range indicator gave us a training range all day today. Like I said, when the price looks like this, you're looking for the reversal. When you're approaching a support at this choppy rate, you're just looking for a reversal. It's just too many scalpers, too much two-sided trading. I'm stuck. I cannot take a trade. I got no setups. I got nothing. It's grinding up and it's super slow. I've been waiting here for like 3 hours for a setup. 3 hours for a setup. Can't get anything. I'm so tilted. I just want to go long here. It's first entry every time. Next first entry, I'm just going to go long, whatever. Should I be looking for a reversal here? The moment I feel this feeling, should I be looking for a reversal instead? Super late in trend. I'll just watch it go. If it goes up, it goes up. Even a second entry long this late in trends, maybe not a good idea. And in a trading range, so. First entry, I was thinking about just jumping in there. Looking for a new high. I feel like the moment I try, it's going to reverse. So I canceled it last minute. Second entry long. Dumbest trade of all time. Waited forever for the setup, and it's gonna fail. Waited forever for the setup, and it's gonna fail. Watch. Waited forever for the setup, and it's gonna fail. It's one of those days. Second entry long, good signal bar coming off a trend line, coming off the 20 MA. I'm just gonna try. Whatever. Hold.
2,500 tick trap.
Hold. Hold. New high, hopefully.
Target
Give
filled.
me some bamboo, please. Give me some sort of bamboo, please, today.
Target filled.
I'll take it, whatever. I'll take that. Up 793, whatever. Stupid day. It was a very good setup, I guess. Trend line, channel, 20 EMA. Grinding to the upside here. I might as well just keep going long. Just buy anywhere. Just buy here. Up 768. Not the worst day, not the best day, but it is a day. We're looking for a reversal soon, is a question. 5 minutes, just hitting the top of the trading range. I think it's going to get there. I'm going to just try. And if I don't come out as green as I am, that is a-okay with me.
2500 tick trap.
Target filled.
Whew! Got our bamboo. We're back up. We're back above where we were at our highest point. Guess I got held. I probably would have taken out the first reversal anyways, but this might keep floating up. Pandas, I mean, we're up till 20. I mean, got my bamboo. Easy peasy. Frustrating day though. It's just slow grind, and this was very patient. I wish we, yeah, I mean, up 1245. It's pretty good. I think our counts are all above 7,000, which is nice. Right, all our counts are above 7. A couple of counts are under 7,000 by like a couple hundred. $100, $500, some of them. But I think that's all we can get from this very, very, very interesting market today. Right, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up.
2500 tick
Just
trap.
complete trading range. Trading range indicator just spot on today. It's just beautiful today. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What's gold up to? Gold just really hasn't done much today. Okay, fair enough. MBT flying up. Nice. Okay, Pandas, I think that's it for today. We're up 1,200. And just what a day. What a difficult day, in my opinion. Lots up, lots of downs. Had to be very patient for your setups. And the volatility was insane today. The volatility was just absolutely nutsos. So it just goes to show, you gotta be patient on days like today. And some days are just very difficult. I think today is difficult. With all the factors, the nice thing about today is we have volatility. That's probably the nicest thing about today. Worst thing about today is that the volatility is in the trading range and lots of overlapping bars. And so it's like you have good volatility, but if you don't have good movement, then, man, you're just taking a lot of risk for every trade. Very unpredictable trade, too. So it is what it is. But Pandas, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Have an amazing weekend, everyone. As always, have a drink of us. Bye.